Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDRL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just a very monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 33 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 33, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that 33-cent mark, that would definitely be a big sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The price action's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented there. Again, yeah, staying up above 33 cents would certainly be ideal, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. I'm going to kind of split the difference. Yeah, I realize the price went up above this area a couple of times, but right around 40 cents, give or take a penny or two, seems to be the congestion point of where the sellers are currently hanging out at. So going forward, 40 cents, public enemy number one. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.